Hello guys, good morning guys. This moringa, they doesn't know to eat here, but in Philippines, they know how to eat. You know, moringa got a lot of benefits to our body that it less for those who have diabetes, cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Is a very good benefits for them when they eat more because moringa is for less cholesterol, less diabetes, and less high blood pressure. It can be cooked also for soup, and it can be cooked for vegetable. Guys, marami pong hindi nakakaalam na ang moringa ay isang herbal leaf na nakakain po natin, na inilalahok po natin sa kahit anong bagay, sa manok, sa karne, sa tinola, at pwede natin gawin sa ating mga gulay. Pwede po nating ilahok ito, katulad po ilalahok po minsan sa papaya, ganun po. A lot of benefits of moringa that they doesn't know here. Kaya po nagtatanim po tayo ng ganitong mga gulay po dito para po organic po yung ating makakain at marami po siyang may bibigay na benefits. It can be make also as a tea. You can boil it and then you drink it every day. Makakabawas po ito ng ating high blood. Nakakabawas din po ito ng ating oil sa katawan at salt. At nakakapagbigay ito ng magandang benefits sa ating katawan. Guys, maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe, sa pag-like, sa pag-share, sa pag-comment ng vlog na to. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all.